The world is tense and crypto markets are on edge. Tomorrow, April 6th, President Trump's next move on Iran could shake global markets and your crypto portfolio. Will his actions spark a rally or trigger a crash? This isn't just about US politics, it's about global stability, oil prices, and investor reactions. The Strait of Hormuz is blocked, oil prices are surging, and traders are bracing for impact. In this video, we'll break down where crypto stands, why April 6th matters, and what Trump's choices could mean for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and meme coins. We'll also cover how smart traders are preparing and simple strategies to manage risk. Let's dive in, because what happens next could be a very big deal. If you've checked your crypto portfolio lately, you've felt the fear. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is flashing red, driven by the Iran crisis. Big investors are dumping risky assets, crypto included, leaving the market fragile. March was brutal. Bitcoin lost over 25% this year, Ethereum dropped 34%, and altcoins followed. The total crypto market is down to $2.38 trillion, with Bitcoin dominating over half. Even institutional funds are buying puts to hedge against a crash. On-chain data shows recent buyers are selling quickly, lacking confidence. Meanwhile, oil prices are spiking, pushing up costs everywhere and adding to investor anxiety. The crypto market is deeply tied to these global pressures. Right now, caution rules. Why is April 6th so important? It's the first full trading day after the weekend, when global markets reopen and big money returns. Over the weekend, retail traders dominate, but Monday brings institutional power, and potentially huge moves. These players will react to Trump's latest statements and the Iran situation. If they sense more risk, expect aggressive selling. If tensions ease, a rally could follow. Oil prices will be a key signal. If they keep rising, trouble is brewing. April 6th is when theory meets reality, and the market will finally price in the news. For crypto, this could set the trend for weeks. A strong move could trigger liquidations and wild swings. That's why all eyes are on Monday. Let's look at the worst-case scenario. Trump goes aggressive. New tariffs, harsh rhetoric, or threats of escalation would spike uncertainty. Investors would dump risky assets and flee to safety. Bad news for crypto. Bitcoin could break key support, triggering panic selling and a deeper crash. Ethereum and altcoins would likely fall even harder, as risk appetite vanishes. Meme coins like PEPE, WIF, and BRET would be hit hardest, potentially crashing 50% or more. In a bear market, speculative assets get crushed first. The hope of Bitcoin as digital gold would be tested, and likely fail short-term. For holders, this is the nightmare scenario. It's a harsh reminder. When fear takes over, nothing is safe. Stay cautious if Trump turns up the heat. Now, imagine Trump takes a softer approach, delaying action, signaling negotiations, or using diplomatic language. Any sign of de-escalation would spark relief across markets. Investors would rush back in, triggering a risk-on rally. Bitcoin could bounce sharply, possibly causing a short squeeze as bearish traders scramble to cover. Ethereum might outperform, with renewed focus on its tech and growth potential. Meme coins would surge as speculators return, chasing quick gains. The mood could flip from fear to greed almost overnight. This scenario shows how quickly sentiment can shift. A softer Trump could turn the trend around, at least for now. Watch for any hint of diplomacy. The most bullish scenario? Trump goes pro-crypto. If he announces clear, favorable crypto regulations or praises blockchain innovation, it could ignite a new bull market. Regulatory clarity would remove a huge fear for big investors, opening the floodgates for institutional money. Bitcoin could smash through all-time highs driven by FOMO from both retail and Wall Street. Ethereum and altcoins would soar, with DeFi and Web3 projects attracting massive investment. Even meme coins would skyrocket in a speculative frenzy. While unlikely, this scenario shows the power of political statements. A few positive words could unlock trillions in value. Don't underestimate the impact of a pro-crypto pivot. Smart traders aren't guessing, they're watching key levels and trends. For Bitcoin, holding support is crucial. A break below could mean a sharp drop. Ethereum's performance versus Bitcoin signals risk appetite. If ETH BTC rises, risk is on. Meme coins are only safe to trade when Bitcoin is stable or rising. Sentiment indicators, options markets, and on-chain data reveal what big players are doing. Above all, traders are glued to news feeds for Trump's next move and oil price reactions. The first headlines on April 6th will set the tone. Smart traders react to news, not predictions. Have a plan and be ready to move fast. Volatility is scary, but you can protect yourself. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, especially now. If a 50% crash would hurt you, reduce your risk. Avoid emotional decisions. Have a plan for when to take profits or cut losses. Use stop-loss orders to automate your strategy and limit downside. For example, set a stop-loss below your entry to protect capital. Sometimes doing nothing is best. Long-term holders can ride out the noise. Keep some cash ready to buy if prices drop. Patience and preparation are your best tools. Stick to your plan, not your emotions. Survive the storm, and you'll have opportunities ahead. This week promises extreme volatility. Markets are ready to leap on any news. Whether Trump escalates or de-escalates, crypto will react fast. Prepare for big swings and stay cautious. If Trump goes aggressive, a sharp sell-off is likely. If he softens, a relief rally could follow. The pro-crypto scenario is a wild card but not impossible. Watch Monday's headlines and market reactions closely. Don't rush into trades, let the trend emerge. Align your strategy with your goals and risk tolerance. Stay informed, manage risk, and keep your cool. Be patient, be prepared, and good luck navigating the week ahead.